Welcome to Civil Engineers. In this video, I am going to teach you how to calculate quantity of cement, sand and water in a motor of 1:6 and 1:3. So let's get started. Let's assume the volume of motor as 1 meter cube and the mixed ratio as 1:6. And we know that dry volume of the motor equals to wet volume into 1.33. Here 1.33 is the multiplication factor, that is increase in volume due to bulkage of sand, and you can take it as 1.3 to 1.35, anything, that is 1.30, 1.31, 1.32, 1.33, 1.34, 1.35. Therefore dry volume equals to volume of the motor, that is 1 multiplied by 1.33, which is equals to 1.33 meter cube. Now quantity of the cement. To calculate the quantity of cement, we have to remember a simple formula, that is quantity of cement equals to dry volume of the motor multiplied by cement ratio divided by sum of the ratio. We know the dry volume of motor and we know the cement ratio and we know the sand ratio. Therefore, quantity of cement equals to 1.33 multiplied by 1, that is dry volume multiplied by cement ratio divided by cement ratio plus sand ratio, that is 1 plus 6. If you divide 1.33 by 7, then you will get it as 0.19 meter cube. And since we know that density of the cement equals to 1440 kg per meter cube, if you multiply this density with the volume of the cement, then you will get the weight of the cement. Therefore, weight of the cement equals to 1440 multiplied by 0.19, which is equals to 273.6 kg. As we know that one bag of cement contains 50 kg of cement, to get the number of bags, we have to divide the weight with 50. Then we will get the number of bags. That's what I did here. 273.6 kg divided by 50. Then it will give us value 5.472 numbers. Quantity of sand. Since we know that cement and sand are in the ratio of 1:6, multiply the quantity of cement with 6, then you will get the quantity of sand. So 0.19 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 1.14 meter cube. And we know that 1 meter cube equals to 35.3147 cubic feet. If you multiply 1.14 with 35.3147, then you will get the quantity of sand in cubic feet, that is 1.14 multiplied by 35.3147, which gives us value 40.258 cubic feet. In some areas, sand also measured in the tons. So to get the weight of the sand, we have to multiply the volume with the density, and we know that density of the sand equals to 1920 kg per meter cube. Multiply density with the volume of the sand, that is 1.14 multiplied by 1920, which is equals to 2380.8 kg. And if you divide it by 1000, then you will get it in tons, that is 2.3808 tons. Quantity of water can be calculated by this formula, that is water cement ratio equals to weight of water divided by weight of cement, and I am considering water cement ratio as 0.50. You can take the water cement ratio from the 0.45 to 0.60. I am taking it as 0.50. Okay, so we know the water cement ratio and we know the weight of the cement. Substitute these two values to get the weight of the water, that is weight of the water equals to weight of the cement multiplied by water cement ratio. Therefore weight of the water equals to 273.6 multiplied by 0.15, which is equals to 136.8 kg. Now let's see the calculation of 1:3 ratio. As we know that quantity of cement equals to dry volume of the motor multiplied by cement ratio and divided by sum of the ratio. And here dry volume will be same, that is 1.33, and ratio will change, that is 1 plus 3. 1.33 divided by 4, which gives us value 0.3325, and multiply this with density, then you will get it as 478.8 kg. To get it in number of bags, you have to divide it by 50. Then 478.8 kg divided by 50, which is equals to 9.576 numbers. Let's say the quantity of the sand. Multiply the quantity of cement with 3, then you will get it as 0.9975 meter cube, which is approximately 1 meter cube. And as we know that 1 meter cube equals to 35.3147 cubic feet. Multiply this volume with 35.3147 to get it in the form of cubic feet. That is equals to 0.9975 multiplied by 35.3147. If you multiply these two values, then you will get it as 35.226 cubic feet. Multiply density with volume, then you will get the weight of the sand, that is 0.9975 multiplied by 1920, which is equals to 1915.2. And if you divide it by 1000, then you will get it in the form of tons, that is 1.9152 tons. Now let's see how much quantity of water is needed in 1:3 ratio. As we know that water cement ratio equals to weight of the water divided by weight of the cement. In this case also I am considering W by C ratio as 0.5. So multiply the weight of the cement with the 0.15 to get the weight of the water, that is 239.4. If this video is helpful for you, then give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.